How to transfer funds from DBS to Interactive Brokers. Go to the Interactive Brokers website and log in to the client portal. In the portal, go to Transfer and Pay and transfer funds. Under the Deposit tab, select Bankwire as the transfer method. Select the currency that you will be transferring, example, SGD, USD, etc. Log into your DBS account using internet banking or the mobile app, then go to Transfer and Overseas Transfer. Enter the wire transfer details from Interactive Brokers, beneficiary name, SWIFT code, account number, etc. Be sure to add the reference number provided by IBKR, as this helps match the funds to your brokerage account. Double-check all the information, especially the beneficiary name and account number, to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transaction, and the funds will be wired from DBS to IBKR. Depending on the bank and currency, the transfer can take 1 to 3 business days. Once the transfer is processed, log into your IBKR account and check if the funds have been credited. Thanks for watching.